All right, what's up? Thanks for clicking. We've got a VHS-C tape here, which is a VHS compact tape, I believe a miniature VHS, and we are converting this bad boy to digital. In other words, we're going to put it in the cloud. How do we do it? We're going to need this little adapter piece. I'll put a link in the description below, but it's super simple. You slide in the VHS-C tape like that and close the lid up, and it operates now as basically a VHS tape. So you can slide that in the VCR, and you'll need to hook up your cords, okay, to make sure they are running the signal from the back of your VCR. So these are RCA cables going into the back of your computer. I've got this adapter piece here that converts your RCA signal to USB signal, which is really nice. And what we're doing here is opening up QuickTime on our computer. And we're going to click, let me close that out first. Open up QuickTime on the computer. And we're going to click New File and then New Movie. You see that New Movie Recording. So File, New Movie Recording. Click the little arrow next to the record button and you'll get a drop-down menu. Make sure it says AV, not the actual camera on your computer. Make sure that's audio and video, AV. And with our settings adjusted, we'll hit play on the VCR and then click that record button. Recommend clicking record first and then play to capture as much as possible. Now, if you don't see the picture show up on your computer and the play button is hit, in other words, you see this blue screen or maybe a fuzzy, maybe some black and white fuzz, right? Then it's possible that your video head, the VCR heads need to be cleaned. And we're not going to do that in this video. I made a separate video on how to do that. You can search my channel. I'm no pro at all, but I figured out a DIY style, pretty simple job to get those VCR heads clean and operating again. And that was indeed the problem with this one. So let's boot that up one more time. We'll hit that QuickTime button. And then File, New Movie, Recording. Make sure the volume's up. Make sure your settings are correct to AV to USB. Enlarge the screen a little bit if you'd like. Click Record first. You should see it start counting upwards in megabytes as it's capturing the screen, and then click Play on your VCR. Now, if it skips initially for a couple of seconds, don't worry about that. That is normal, as at least on this particular computer. It might not do that for you, but in any case, we can proceed copying as many VHS-C tapes as we need to. We will save that before we close it out, and it should be now in digital format saved on your desktop. And then from there, you can copy it over to Google Photos or back it up on an external hard drive or whatever it is you would like to do with that digital copy. And to me, that is the best way to go, as opposed to putting it, converting the tape to like a DVD, because then you have to deal with this issue of now converting the movie file on the DVD to extracting it to put it on Google Photos, for example, or in the cloud somewhere. So to me, this is a great way. We just need to buy or acquire a couple of those adapter pieces, but for minimal cost, this solved my problems, and hopefully it helps you out. Thanks so much. Hit that like button if it did help you out, and don't forget to subscribe.